today we are doing a slime ASMR video. Yeah, and just if you don't know our channel name, it's William Soto. Yeah. And my name's Aurora, and my name's Aria. And we would like to introduce our dad. Yeah. That's our dad's name, William.
Hi.
He's not a slime person. He's not a slime person. So that's why he's not. Okay, first we're going in with actual slime. And just so you know, if you don't know what Hello Kitty is, because this is Hello Kitty theme, this is Karomi, my side. This represents my side. That's Karomi. She likes darkness. I built it. And I like straight from Japan. And I like this one. I like lightness, and she likes darkness. Okay, we're going right into this. Let's get right into this. Woo! Okay. So first we're gonna go with some Wodo slime. I'm gonna go with yellow, pink, no, yellow, green, and blue. I want these ones. Only 3. I only want 3. Or 4. Yeah. Yeah, let's do 4. Not really doing blue anymore. I don't feel like the blue vibe anymore. Okay, I'll take it. Okay, ready? Okay, this one. I actually love. Do you guys like the music in the background? Let's be quiet and you'll hear it. See? So we're not going to talk until the rest of the video because we want to get a quiet video. Alright, okay, so all we want you guys to know for the rest of the video is to like and subscribe, and if you do, we'll give you free gift cards for a month or week. We're not sure, but we'll probably be a month. Actually, we're just gonna give it to you, and you'll have it forever. Yeah. So please like and subscribe to our videos. We want to get to 1,000 likes. We want to get to 1,000 likes. So then, if we get to 1,000 likes, we start selling our own merch of slime. Yeah, we're gonna start buying slime and getting. And we're gonna ask for our own merch of slime. Yeah. So yeah. So like and subscribe, and the rest of the video we're gonna be quiet. Quiet. Yeah, we made this homemade. Yeah, we made these homemade. Yeah. It's quiet, I promise you guys. There we go. These are super nice, and we really recommend you guys making these home. If your parents are using these gloves and water, and you need to tie it. Yeah, that's all you have. You're perfect. Water glove. Then you can swim. High fives. Alright, anyway, you can even do this. Like you got your own butt. Anyways, let's put those down. Next, we'll be doing one of our favorites. We split this one. Because there was only one in the store. That looks like it's pretty well. Looks like it's done pretty well. Okay guys, this slime was the only one left in America. Actually, I don't think so. I forgot. Maybe I think so, but we really appreciate you guys that watch this video. And please give a thumbs up and ring the bell. Okay, let's now give you good luck for a year. Let's put these slimes away. Oh my gosh. Once all these slimes are gone. Alright. We're gonna have to put those over there. Next we're moving on to these. They're big tubs. So as I was opening this, it looked like it was runny. It looked like it was runny. We believe it's runny. The slimes are very Mine wasn't runny at all. I thought mine wasn't runny, but when I was letting it actually became runny. And Aria's didn't look like it was runny. It is. But I guess it was. I really wanted to use a spoon to get this out. So, but I needed help getting it out, so I didn't have anything to do, so I kind of just wanted to does it. I thought it was weird at first because I didn't really like the texture. Oh. I just didn't really like this.
such a chunky. It's a big giant block of slime.
Sorry if you guys are to hear that.
It's very chunky.
Yes, the slime is very chunky. This one's clear. It's impossible to make bubbles with these ones. Like, I made one, but it was pretty hard. And it only stayed for a second, so it wasn't worth it. So. All the people that follow us, link in the description. Look at the link in the description below.
I'm gonna put this chunky one away.
Alright, we're gonna put these away.
Let's see.
Just got a couple more bubbles.
I love this one. It's one of my favorites.
These ones are
Next is this buddy.
slime.
Oh.
Oh my god.
I'm just gonna bring the whole thing out and see how it is.
Let's split it.
Okay, let me see. I'm gonna get it away. Okay.
It's not that bad actually.
Oh, okay.
Alright, this is Buttercloud's slime. A cotton candy scented.
Smell it, smell it, smell it.
You guys can't smell it.
Okay, the rest of the video we're gonna start to be talking.
And the rest of the video, we're gonna start to be talking a little bit.
Just a tiny bit.
Just a teensy bit. I think they're stuck in the slime.
This is what slime
Alright,
is a fail. It
we're
was
ready
not a
for
moment.
this.
It was a fail.
You can mold this slime too, because it says stretch it, swirl it, and mold it.
This was one of our old slimes, so.
Yeah. So this is a very popular. This company is a very Cool is a very popular.
Oh, and
slime
also
company.
if you ask for one of these,
All you have to do is get a glove, fill it up with water, and then tie it. And
yeah,
that's all you
or
do.
also you can just subscribe and we'll make you one on your own,
And we'll always be there for your back.
yeah. That's all this is.
Alright. Put these slimes away.
Now we're moving on to the final.
The last one will be a surprise.
That we're not going to show you. It's right here.
Until the end of the video.
Okay.
Back.
Okay, I'm ready. Okay, this one's squishy. We're not going to be talking with this.
Coroni. And these ones. We feed this one together. Because that one's so nice. Oh my god, little puppy. Alright, and the last thing, it's a 72 pack.
Okay, let's jump out over the map.
Squishies.
Hope this is not too messy.
Oh, there's 72 squishies. trophies in here that we can just play with.
We're gonna make a match.
We're gonna make all the matches, so stay tuned.
All right, let's start. I already got one. Tell me when you got one.
I'm trying to figure this out right now.
This is really hard. I really can't do this anymore.
Found a button.
I found a grape. I found a grape. Great.
Oh, look, these little bears are so cute. These little pears. They're so cute.
They're very
Got
cute.
little pears.
It's kind of
Got little pears.
Oh, they have an alligator. Oh, he's cute.
We have turtles.
A turtle.
We need to find the match. Oh, I think this is it.
I think I just found a darn narwhal right there. Okay, this is gonna take a little while, so
I think that might be it.
we're gonna try to go quick.
We're gonna try to do this quick since we can't really fast forward this right now. Ooh. Is there another crocodile in here?
I don't know. Wait, if we're missing any, I'm gonna be very sad. Okay, cats. Found the cats.
Please tell me there's another crocodile. Where is the little chunky guy's twin? Is he all with this cluster of animals?
It's kind of hard. We'll just
I don't see him.
don't tell me we're missing one. Wait, where's Chubby Penguin? Twin.
Yeah, where's his chubby penguin?
Oh, yay. I just found their penguin.
The seashell.
There's a lot of different types of seashell. Oh, this one's lost.
Oh, poor baby.
Now we need to carefully.
Oh my gosh, this chipmunk is so cute.
Look at him. We have a lot
And then
of
there's this elephant.
Which elephant?
This
Oh,
one.
I can't find
We
one.
gotta find that.
What about Sleeping Bunny? Oh, I love the Sleeping Bunnies.
No, not a match.
Sleeping Bunnies. And we
Oh, I
some
found the
more.
match to the crocodile.
The crocodile match? Oh, yay, we were looking for that. Okay.
Where's his twin? There it is.
Okay.
Um,
And there's a little honey bear.
this little
Oh,
bunny.
here's a match to this broken one.
Where's the little bunny?
There's another match.
We need to find a bunny. A bunny reported missing its twin. A bunny is missing its twin.
Which bunny?
Where's the other bear?
Which bunny? Bear doesn't go to you.
These are
there's
all
one.
the rares. No, we don't have rares. Yeah, here are the rares. Alright, they're
So
going
these
up
are
there.
there's our pack of rares. No, this one has ears. I catched it, like actually barely catched it. So these ones are not a match.
I believe these are two.
Yeah, they're rares.
The pandas.
Oh, unis are my favorite because look.
These cute pandas are here. The bunnies, we haven't found her twin yet. The bunnies. Have you seen the bunny's twin?
No.
Oh, there it is.
Oh no. These match.
And
Oh, that's not
this
a match.
squishy
Starfishes.
and a little squishy.
Oh, these are the. Oh yeah, you got the rare ones.
Oh, and these. And these cute little bears. Those are all the rares.
Okay, now all we need is
To find the twins. Some are triplets even, which is super adorable to me.
we don't got another bunny. Okay, luckily bunnies are safe. We found 3 of those.
We found a bird.
It's Carolina, it's California, maybe soon.
We have that song stuck in our head.
Yeah.
We really like you guys to please like and subscribe to this video, please.
Yes.
And yes, please do it.
and subscribe.
And that's literally all we want. For you guys to like and subscribe this video.
Oh,
That's all we want.
look, this is the satisfying part. You put them together.
Some don't have twins, which is really, really sad.
So we're gonna mix them up.
So some have to be mixed up.
Where's the elephant?
Oh, I found it.
It's really hard.
We don't see her twin, so and we didn't see his twins. These two look like a pair. These two and oh.
Yeah, this one's a little messed up because she got ripped.
Here we go.
Oh, this is not a rare.
These. My bad. These ones are.
The bunnies aren't a rare either.
Where are the other bunnies? These bunnies.
Oh, yeah.
Here are the bunnies. These bunnies. Here we are.
That's all. Which one's the unmatched one? We have some that aren't matched.
Yeah, some didn't find their pair.
Did we,
Oh!
I guess they'll go together.
And this is the end of our video, so
Like and subscribe and wait, we're
to
not done
please,
yet. We're not
please.
done.
And
We're gonna put the rares together and we're gonna tear all of them apart and it'll be satisfying.
and bye. Bye guys.
Yeah, we're gonna tear all these apart.
Yeah.
So no, we're gonna connect these the rares.
Sorry, this video is pretty long.
Okay, ready, set, go.
Tear them all apart.
Oh, the
Don't worry,
penguins.
I'm not gonna rip them.
This one's pretty satisfying. Whoa, that one was satisfying.
I love the sleeping bunnies.